Honestly, training with Praveen is very, very difficult. He's a monster when he becomes your coach. But I think it's good for yourself only.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing Keto Tawa Paneer. It's a super easy and a super simple recipe. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hey guys, today we are doing Keto Tawa Paneer. The ingredients for the same are, here I have 150 grams of paneer which is finely chopped. Then I have pink Himalayan salt. Next I have here is some red chili powder, turmeric. Then I have coriander powder, and here I have my roasted cumin powder. All of them half a teaspoon of each. Then I have ginger garlic paste, and lastly for garnishing I have some mint leaves and lemon. So for Keto Tawa Paneer we're going to take a mixing bowl. We're going to add our 150 grams of paneer to the same. To that I'm going to add my coriander powder. Then I have my red chili powder, some turmeric and roasted cumin powder. Now I'm going to add very little of pink Himalayan salt, squeeze about half a lime, and add some half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now either you can use your hands or with a spoon, mix the same really well. Keep it aside for about 5 to 8 minutes and then we are going to put it over the pan with 1 tablespoon of desi ghee and roast the same. Hi guys, so first we're going to take a pan. To that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, and to that I'm going to add, once the ghee is slightly melted, I'm going to add my marinated tawa paneer. And cook it on medium flame. And now we are going to flip the side once the paneer is well done. So you'll see that the paneer starts turning slightly golden in color. And now our paneer is well done. You can see it's turned golden and it looks super crispy. Now we are going to transfer it into a bowl. Now I'm going to top it up and garnish it with some lime juice and some chopped mint leaves. Our Keto Tawa Paneer is ready. To make the exact recipe, request you to please scroll down below to the description. You'll get the list of ingredients what I have used for the same recipe. Request you to please subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so that you get intimation of all the videos we do. We do videos on training, nutrition, amazing awesome recipes and a lot of information videos. Thank you so much and see you soon.